This is the Pisen Power Tiny. It's a 30 watt, 10,000 milliamp hour capacity power bank with built-in cables. So Pisen actually sent this to me a while ago, like last year. But I completely forgot about it because I let my girlfriend use it while I was working on other review videos and she never gave it back.
You said I could use it.
Anyways, thank you Pisen for sending this out to me to check out and review. It must be a really good power bank for someone to not give it back to me until now. Let's take a closer look at the Power Tiny. This power bank has a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity. It can deliver power up to 30 watts to provide fast charging speeds for efficient power delivery. The power bank has two built-in cables, so you don't have to worry about needing to bring extra cables with you. The first is the USB-C that's bidirectional and supports 30 watt fast charging. So you can use it to charge things as well as to charge the power bank itself. This can charge the power bank up to 55% in about 30 minutes. On the other side is the built-in lightning cable. I told you they gave this to me a while ago. If you're like me though, you might actually still have older Apple accessories that still use lightning cables. I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max here that I use, but I also have my old AirPods Pro and of course my Apple mouse. I have no real need to update these, so it's nice that I can still use this power bank to charge them. There's also a USB-C output on the side, so you can actually charge up to 3 devices at the same time. The built-in USB-C cable is purposely designed to act as a lanyard as well, so you can easily carry this around. Or if you're charging your phone, you can easily hold onto your phone and charge it at the same time. There's an LED digital screen on here that gives you a clear and accurate display for your battery levels and lets you know if it's charging. If you double press this button, it'll go into low current mode. This isn't necessary to use, but it's still useful to have when you're charging low power devices like smartwatches or headphones. It has a built-in security chip that gives you a few charging protections such as over voltage protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, over discharge protection, overcharge protection, and temperature protection. The shell is made from 80% recycled plastic to help reduce carbon emissions, but it still feels really nice and premium. I have the blue color here, but it also comes in white and purple. It's really small and powerful for what it is. I guess that's why it's called the Power Tiny. Anyways, I'm gonna give this back to her before she tries to steal another thing that I'm trying to review. See ya. Hey.